A number of Jamaican athletes will have to watch the Olympic ceremony on television after restrictions to the number allocated to Jamaicans by the Games organisers. Jamaica's allocation has been cut to 40 with 33 reserves for athletes. Some slots will be filled by members of the coaching management and technical support staff. Jamaica has 66 track and field athletes, 1 judoka, 2 swimmers and a diver. There will be several restrictions in place for the opening ceremony as Paris 2024 organisers increase security. The opening ceremony, which has been billed as one of the best ever, will be the first to take place outside the stadium and will feature teams in boats along the world's famous Seine River. It is set to be the largest in history. My question is, how will the Jamaica Athletics Administrative Association select the athletes who will be at the opening ceremony? Because I guess every athlete wants to be at the opening ceremony.